Welcome to another conversation off the clock. Hi, I'm Carmina Constantino Torres, and this is Casey After Hours. Nakatagpo na ba kayo na isang tao na nung unang beses yung nakilala, galit na agad kayo? Yung tipong umuusok na yung tenga nyo sa galit. Pero pagkatapos, sa kalaunan, magiging magkaibigan pala kayo. Well, such is my story with our next guest. Back then, I never thought that this moment would actually happen. And yet, here we are. Tao po, may bisita tayo. Joining us today, Bernadette Zambrano Aguinaldo. Alright, so this is actually happening. Akalain mo mangyayari to?
Hindi. Una sa lahat, hindi ko alam magkaka-podcast ka.
Oo nga no?
Congratulations.
Ay, thank you. Thanks so much.
Finally.
Okay, so finally, magkatapat tayo, mag-uusap tayo. It's been decades in the making kasi nga hindi natin alam na mangyayari pala to na sa isang kwarto magkakausap tayo ng ganito. So, just to get it out of the way, pwede mo bang ikwento kung paano tayo unang nagkakilala? Yung recollection mo, ha?
Ayoko na kasi maging kung kanino ang... Eto na yun. Kaya ayoko siya ikwento kasi there are two versions of the truth.
Kaya nga.
Hindi magdedebate pa tayo.
Hindi.
Pero ganito na lang, aaminin ko na lang yung pagkakasalanan ko. Para siyang road rage incident. No? Parang ganon. Hindi naman, close to it. Parking incident. Oo, sa National Bookstore. And why don't we leave it at that?
Hindi, ikwento mo sa kanila.
Yung version
mo.
ko?
Yung version mo. Kasi gusto ko malaman.
Naharangan ko yung parking niya.
Tapos?
Sa National Bookstore.
Tapos,
so,
ang tagal niyang nawala.
Nung may National Bookstore pa, oo.
Meron pa rin, di ba? Wala na ba?
Oo. Yun. So, yun. Tapos, sa recollection ko,
naharangan mo, and then, ang tagal mong nawala.
Yun nga yung magkaiba tayo ng version of the truth. Akala ko mabilis lang ako. But I think you're right na baka matagal nga ako nawala. But in my recollection...
Like 30 minutes.
No, I don't think it... Anyway, does not matter. That, feeling ko mabilis. Feeling ko. Okay, so I thought it was mabilis. But I think you came from the gym then, no?
So may adrenaline pa, diba? Tapos init pa, diba?
Tapos sabi ko, sorry po. Tapos...
Hindi!
Ay, iba ba? Tignan mo, magkaiba na.
So, lumabas po siya ng national.
Sige, mas maniniwala ako sa recollection mo than my recollection. Sige.
Hindi, tama naman. So, lumabas ka. Tapos parang, tama ka Yung aura mo is parang saglit ka lang nawala. So, parang you weren't really... Hindi mo
walang
talaga...
sense of urgency.
Walang sense of urgency.
Oo, kasi ang alam ko, mabilis lang. Saglit lang.
Yung pala mga 30 minutes na kami nag-iintay nung kasama ko nung time na yon.
Sorry.
So, wow! First time in 3 decades. Tapos, sinigaw-sigawan kita, diba?
Kinakwento mo talaga? Sige, but that's true, no?
Oo.
That's
true. Sinigawan kita. Tapos sinabihan mo ko ng, naalala mo?
God bless you.
Oo. So, syempre, mas nag-init yung ulo ko na parang init-init na nung ulo ko.
Did you expect me how should I have reacted? I mean, what kind of reaction did you expect?
I don't know. I was expecting any other kind of reaction. Hindi ganon.
Hindi God bless you.
Hindi God bless you. So parang, so siguro parang, I think in that moment, what got to me also was parang galit na galit ako. Tapos pinamukha mo sa akin na parang, chill ka lang. This is nothing that important. Parang ganyan. Natutuo naman. Kasi it was just may nagpark. Diba? May nagpark na harangan ka. Saglit lang naman. But yet here I was, so involved with myself and my time and my energy. Nagalit na galit ako. But in truth, I could have had a bit more empathy. Diba? I could have been more, kinder, ganyan. In the same way na you could have had the same.
Or maybe, dapat mas may urgency rin ako.
Diba?
Na parang, God, baka kanina to, paano ko emergency nga, diba?
Correct. Oo. Tapos pagkatapos ko po siyang sinigawan as she was driving away.
Well, after I said, God bless you, sinigawan mo na ako, what happened next?
You went into the car and you drove away. Tapos naalala mo yung susunod?
Minato mo ako ng barya. Magkano ba binigyan?
Isang dakot ng barya.
Buti hindi uso. God. Girl, pag nakatapat ka pala ng sa mga TV patrol, pwede ka mabaril.
Oo, pwede. Buti
Or
na
ako
lang.
ang nabaril. Either way, no?
Oo, buti na lang, diba? So, I really made it a point na isang dakot ng barya yung kinuha ko. Naisip ko yun. Tapos binato ko po sa kanya. Not my proudest moment, pero mga bata pa tayo nun, diba? But what did that, and then knowing how we are now, what did that incident teach you?
Nung nakita kita sa newsroom, I didn't even tell other people about it. Na parang, eto yung encounter natin. Hindi, wala akong sinabihan.
Oo. Ako
Kasi
rin.
what for?
Oo.
And then one day, sinabi mo, naalala mo ako or something like that. And you were in the
Oo.
ANC studio,
Oo.
di ba? So, akala ko baka hindi mo na ako naalala.
Tapos yung sinabi mo sa akin noon na parang, when I said, no, because before that, I think prior to you had Bell's palsy. I think prior to that, nagkita tayo sa hallway. Tapos I just said, hindi pa tayo nag-uusap noon. And then I just said, I prayed for you. And then, and then you said, thank you, ganyan.
Ano sabi ko? Hindi.
Hindi ganon. Hindi pa nung tapos na yon. And then,
You're right.
Hindi. So, and then you said, thank you. And then, I think weeks later, nagkaabutan na tayo. Because I wasn't even sure kung naaalala mo din ako.
Of course, maaalala kita.
Tapos, nung nagkaabutan na tayo sa makeup room, I said, I don't know if you remember, ganyan. And then you said, paano ka ba hindi makakalimut? Paano kita hindi maaalala?
Paano kita makakalimutan?
And then we talked about it. So, yun nga. So, knowing how we first met and then where we are now, ano yung lesson doon?
Always give people the benefit of the doubt. Kahit ano yung unang encounter mo. Tsaka siguro kung meron man tayong pagkakamali, hindi ko alam kung the person that you are now is the same person as you were before. Pero dapat nagbabago ang tao. Oo. Tapos always giving people the benefit of the doubt siguro. Kasi kung binase ko lang yung pagkakakilala ko sa'yo, or this relationship from that first time, then this would not happen, di ba?
Right, oo.
Kasi of course, may saltik tayo pareho. And I'm sure
Mas
it's still
meron
there.
ka ha than me.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Pero isipin mo, pero lahat naman may kabutihan, no matter how bad things work out. At
That's
saka
true.
ang maganda, iniisip ko, parang things can only get better for us kasi it was already the worst, di ba? I mean, technically.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Oo, batuhin ba naman
Oo,
ikaw
diba?
ng barya, 'di ba? What kind of person does that? 'Di ba? Ako naman, yung lesson ko doon is similar to yours. Parang you just have to give people a second chance. Hindi ba? Ikaw benefit of the doubt. Ako naman second chance. Na
Ba't mo ako binati nun? Nung sa ANC na hindi mo dined ba? Kasi hindi mo naman lahat ba ng tao binabati mo?
Hindi.
Or you just had to get it out of the way?
hindi. Ako kasi I go by gut. I go by what I'm feeling. Merong mga tao dyan na kahit dekada na kong nakikita, if it doesn't make sense to me, I don't do it. But I felt the need to say hello and I really did pray for you and I wanted you to know that, I was rooting for you kahit na natandaan mo or hindi mo natandaan kung ano yung nangyari sa atin. I just wanted to get it out there.
Ano yun? Parang, kasi hindi naman awa yung naramdaman mo. It was empathy
It
that
was
you
empathy. Because I'm an empath eh. Yun yung hindi alam ng mga tao, I guess, that it's
A
I'm an
revelation.
empath. Okay, so
Ayaw niyang pag-usapan.
ayaw ko pag-usapan yun. In the newsroom, diba, I often see you there. We have our chance encounters kasi we have different schedules. But I often also get to observe how you are and you keep to yourself most often than not. Diba? You're very quiet lang. Hindi ka yung tipong, how some people are in the newsroom, then lahat, rinorondahan, ganyan.
Akala ko ganun ako. Quiet pala ako.
Oo.
Okay.
So
sige.
what goes on in that mind of yours?
Akala ko nga, hindi ako introvert.
May ano ka eh. Kala mo hindi ka introvert?
Oo.
Or introvert ka? Kala mo extrovert ka?
Oo, akala ko extrovert.
You're a study to me, ha? Because parang you're an extrovert, I guess, by way of your profession, pero there's something else that's going on behind this.
May point. Tama. Parang
Meron.
introvert naman talaga nga yata
Oo.
ako.
So what goes on what goes on in that mind of yours? What do you think about?
Can I start with the day? Kasi hindi ko na maalala. Hindi ako Gosh. I'm just going to work. I'm just grateful to be there. When I start my day, being grateful is actually a deliberate effort for me. Kasi I think madali mo naman maligaw yung sarili mo na parang not to be grateful or even to complain. Pwede mong maging default yung negativity.
That's true.
Pero siguro, ay gosh, iba pala talaga ako mag-isip. Parang I always give people the benefit of the doubt. Even yung mga binabasa natin sa balita. Sometimes, ang negative. Pero isipin ko, baka naman hindi. Yun. Siguro lahat ng iniisip ko, baka naman hindi. Even nung pinasara tayo sa ABS, iniisip ko, hindi gagawin ng tao to. Walang ganong kasama. Baka naman hindi.
Tapos nangyari.
So, may masama pala talaga. But I guess, siguro gusto ko lang magtiwala na or gusto kong maniwala na dapat piliin natin yung mabuti. Yun, kahit na minsan ayaw mong maging mabuti.
But the newsroom is so negative, hindi ba? Parang ang daming mga negative people. Ang daming mga negative na tao in the newsroom, aminin mo.
Siguro kaya hindi ko rin alam kasi sabi mo nga hindi ako nakaka-mingle as much.
Oo.
So, I guess when I even encounter you or encounter other people, I don't get that kind of interaction. Kasi nga, it's not the conversation that I usually... Di ba, when we come up to each other, it's not... We don't talk about...
The newsroom.
We talk about our lives.
Correct.
Oo. So,
correct. Totoo
maybe
yan.
I don't get that feeling kasi parang mas nakikilala ko yung mga tao doon as who they are maybe outside work.
Tsaka you're very syempre ino-observe din kita, diba? You're very present in whatever conversation you have with the few people who really know you in the newsroom. Kasi konti lang silang nilalapitan mo eh. Konti lang yung friends mo doon eh. Tapos very present ka in your conversation with them. Very authentic yung dealings mo with them. Saan mo nakuha yun?
Si asawa. Diyan ako baka maiyak. Kasi si asawa ko, parang naisip ko, yung the person that I am, maybe from that parking experience, is so different from who I am now because of marriage, because of vocation. Na ang gusto ko kay asawa, yung sinasabi niya sa akin when I'm lutang or not listening to people, alam mo yon. So
may lutang moments ka din.
Naman, yung parang preoccupied ka with your thing.
Yeah.
Or, I think, I'm guilty and maybe a lot of us are guilty sa pagiging preoccupied and multitasking that it's actually affecting our relationships na eh. Now, when you're there, you're on your phone and texting, or Casey, I'm saying hi to you but I'm on my phone. So you don't feel the sincerity, no? Sometimes if it's like that na. So,
but in fairness to you, like whenever we would talk, you're always like really present. Kaya nga yung mga conversations natin, whether it's via phone or texting.
Never shallow.
Never shallow, oo.
Never
totoo yun. Now, in recent years, prior to the pandemic, during the pandemic, I've never seen you be so much of yourself. When did you realize that you were free? You were free to write songs, you were free to sing in the choir, you're free to release these singles, you're free to write your book.
Parang I didn't even care about how, parang, oh my gosh, hindi ko ata mundo to, ba't ko siya papasukin?
Oo.
Ang blessing, sorry to call it a blessing, but I had a miscarriage. Si Mary Olivia.
Molly.
Si Molly. So, siguro nung nagkaroon kami ni asawa ng miscarriage, sabi ko, whatever dream that I want for our daughter, gusto kong mabuhay sa akin. So I had a notebook, mga dreams ko for Mary Olivia. At I think yun yung coping mechanism ko naman. And nakita ko yung ikaw remembering them in some objects, in the photographs. Sa akin naman, yung pagmamahal ko sa ibang tao, kukunin ko siya, gagamitin ko sa sarili ko and turn it to something else, parang ganon. I guess ganon ko pinipili how to continue loving. Kasi pag inayos ko yung sarili ko, sort of, yung example, kay Berry Olivia, pangarap ko sa kanya to live her passion, hindi ba? Gusto ko sana, sige, serve community, do this, do that. Wala siya. Pero kung gaano ko siya, yung lahat ng pangarap ko para sa kanya, gagawin ko sa sarili ko. Yung tagal-tagal ko nang gustong mag-choir. So parang naisip ko, if I live a full life, I'm actually living for her. Correct. And remembering her. So para sa akin, napaka-importante ng honoring. Honoring ng papa ko, kay Mary Olivia, siguro pati sa asawa ko, wag naman sanang mawala asawa ko. Pero alam ko, yung buhay ko is to honor them by the way that I live.
But not everyone would understand that. You know, we live in a very judgmental world. So when the judgments came, naka-apekto ba yun sa'yo na parang, oh my gosh, si Ate B nag-release ng single, sumulat ng libro, miyembro ng choir, diba?
Oh my gosh, parang I didn't care about what other people would think. No, I didn't even know that. Now I know you're telling me.
Hindi, parang hindi ba yun pumasok sa isip mo that people would actually think that way?
Hindi ko nga naiisip eh.
Naisip.
Ngayon, naisip ko lang.
Hindi, huwag mo isipin.
Naisipin ko, oh my God,
tinanong ko lang
nakakaya.
naman. Tinanong ko lang naman.
Hindi. Siguro, nung lumalaki ako, I was so insecure. Kasi palagi ako nako-compare. And I was very insecure. So I would really, walang confidence. Nagulat nga ako, naging news anchor ako eh. Kasi hindi talaga ako mag-fit ng mold, no, ng news anchor. Pero, siguro ang paniwala ko kung anong binigay ng Diyos sa'yo, whatever talent, big or small, or kahit na hindi typical, binigay ng Diyos sa'yo yan eh. And at that time, nag-serve ako sa choir. Biglang nakakarinig ako ng music. Binigay ng Diyos yung mga anghel, mga musikero. Nakagawa tayo ng kanta.
Pero you just followed it from one...
I'm like that. Oo. Kung binigay ng Diyos sa'yo, kung talento man o gift yun, dapat gamitin mo sa paniniwala ko. So, pero nangyayari nga, hit or miss, kasi susubukan ko lahat. Bakit mo binigay ito? Susubukan ko siya. Gawa ka ng go. Diba? So yun. Pero, malinaw naman sa akin na ang hangarin ko sa lahat ng pinapasok ko, pag-vlog man yan, gusto ko talaga tumulong somehow. Pati yung pagsusulat ko, inisip ko, yung kwento, alala ko nagsulat ako ng pandemic, nakalabas nga tayo ng libro. Pero kasi, para akong na-absorb lahat ng katatagan ng Filipino sa field. And it changed me, that too. Sobra akong nag-morph into another human being, na parang feeling ko, alam mo yon, lahat ng bubog ng ibang tao nakuha ko.
Kanina, pinag-usapan natin ng bahagya si Molly, no? But not just Molly. In recent years, you also lost your Papa Nick, no? How would you compare such great losses happening in your life in such a short amount of time?
Parang sunod-sunod nga, no? Some people would say nakukuha mo yung energy. Some people say that. Pero ako naniniwala rin ako na hindi sila wala. Kasi nga, siguro by faith, no? By faith, Katoliko ako. Tapos alam ko na iisang katawan ni Kristo. Because I am a Catholic. And by faith, ang laking bagay na alam kong presensya pa rin ng Panginoon. So when I miss Papa, alam mo saan ako pumupunta? Sa Blessed Sacrament. Kasi ang alam ko, buhay. Buhay na buhay at nandun. Because we are one body in Christ. Minsan pag namimiss ko si Papa, alam ko lang nandyan siya at nandito siya sa akin. Hindi siya nawala. Hindi siya nasa labas ko, but He's with me.
It's so funny, no? Siguro, yung mga taong sinusubaybayan ka, tas napapanood din ako, pag tinitingnan nila tayong dalawa, maybe in the newsroom also, di ba? Parang sobra tayong opposite, di ba? Mabait versus maldita. Pero, not a lot of people know that we have a lot of things in common. When we talk about the losses, for example, hindi alam ng tao, magkasabay tayong nakunan. Diba? Halos magkasunod. And I remember that phone call when you called me. And then parang tinanong mo sa akin na, parang how did you deal with it? Or something like that. No? And then I said, ang prayer ko lang naman kasi ng time na yun is to get pregnant. And it happened. Diba? So we have to be thankful for that. You can't just be thankful for the happy things when they do happen, 'di ba? And not be thankful for the sadness that follows, 'di ba? Nangyari naman, yun yung pinagdasal mo, nangyari.
Oo.
Naramdaman natin. Tapos na. But hindi ibig sabihin we have to stop being thankful.
Or
diba?
loving. Parang yun, nawala pero tuloy-tuloy yung pagmamahal.
Diba? Hindi naman natatapos porket nawala.
Oo. So, pwede mo pa rin mahalin ang wala dyan, right?
What do you tell the other people, especially women, who had to go through the same thing? Ang sakit kasi niya, it's one of the most painful things that a woman could ever go through.
Para sa akin, kung siguro mahalaga sa ating lahat, kanya-kanyang pag-take ng problema. Na ang daling magpayo, minsan nga, napaka-insensitive pa eh. Nang sasabihin, ay, nangyari sa akin, yung ganito lang gawin mo.
Correct.
Hindi ganun yun. So,
Oo,
parang,
kasi nga iba-iba.
siguro gusto ko sabihin, nire-respeto ko yung pinagdadaanan nila. Pinagdadasal ko sila. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan ninyo. Pero kung merong mga bagay na hindi ko kayang dalhin, alam ko lang, dapat mo ring isuko yung kung anong nararamdaman mo.
Kanina napag-usapan, nakwento mo sa amin how asawa is to you. Paano ka naman sa kanya as his asawa?
Kasi mo walang kwenta ako dahil hindi ako nagluluto. Ano ba ako sa asawa ko?
Tawagan natin si Orange. And then,
Hindi ako sasabihin niya. Alam ko na-imagine ko na siya. Kasi sa mga interview niyo, sinasabi niya. Sabi niya, ang bait-bait ng asawa ko. Kung anong nakikita. Yun ang sinasabi niya.
Hindi, yung totoo.
Siguro,
Ikaw,
gusto
how
ko
are you?
What I can say is, grateful ako sa kanya. Then, I'm a grateful wife. Simple lang, hindi ako nagluluto. Wala akong alam sa bahay. Pero, alam kong, pag umaga, tinititiga ko asawa ko, salamat sa asawa ko. Yayakapin ko siya, ganyan. Yeah, mabababaw lang. And actually, yun yung turo ng asawa ko. You don't have to do great things for me. Just be present.
So yun, presensya.
Oo, present ka lang. Yung parang, ang ayaw ng asawa ko, yung ang dami mong ginagawa. Tapos sasabihin mo, nagmumultitasking ka kasi hindi ka present. So, makinig, yun, present lang.
Anong ginagawa niyo together?
Walking ngayon, lately walking. Lately yung naming bonding, walking sa mall. Ganon, nagko-cover kami together, kaya gusto ko mag-vlog kasi bonding namin rin. Asawa kasi siya rin yung nagda-drive.
Yung relationship mo with your mom has changed? Or are you more like, barkada na kayo
Hindi,
ngayon?
ganon pa din.
Pinapagalitan ka pa din?
Forever. Anak, magsuklay ka, alam mo yung mga stuff like that. Para silang ni asawa yung magka-date pag lumalabas, tas ako yung
So magkasundo sila. Importante yun sa'yo.
Mabait si asawa. Oo, mabait talaga asawa ko eh.
Ano ibig mo sabihin?
Mabait talaga si asawa. Oo.
Pero magkasundo sila ni mami mo.
Oo. Sila yung magka-date.
How important is that for you na magkasundo yung mami mo at saka yung asawa mo? That stability that it brings to your life.
Yung mag-aasawa pa lang ako, hindi ko alam na magkakasundo sila. So, pero I guess, to be very honest about it, importante sa akin approval ng nanay ko. Pero nung nalaman kong gusto ko na yung asawa ko, wala na akong pake kahit anong sabihin ng mundo. Gusto ko si asawa, parang naman.
So, at this point, magkakaroon tayo ng konting game. Okay, maliit lang naman. Maiksi lang naman. So, nasa bowl mo, yung mga taglines na mga kasama natin sa industriya. Pagkatapos, sasabihin mo yung kanilang line based on the emoticon that I raise. Okay?
I love it.
Sige. So,
This is fun.
sabay tayong pipili. Pumili ka muna dyan.
Ay, tas tsaka ko bubuksan para no cheating.
Oo, para sabay tayo.
Ako
Okay.
lang? Ikaw rin kaya?
Hindi Podcast ko to
masaya!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ganyan ha. In a sexy tone. Kaninong linya yan?
Linya ni Karen Davila.
Okay. Saan yan? May puhunan?
Oo.
Okay. Sexy
Kailangan
ha?
sexy. But not Karen Davila style.
No, Karen!
Oh my God! Pwede bang my style? Ang hirap naman.
Hindi nga. Basta linya yan ni Karen.
Oo, but my style ng sexy. Okay?
Sige.
Okay. piso, pwede kang magnegosyo. Ano mang talento, pwede kang umasenso. How was that?
Parang ewan ko.
Papagawa.
Next. Parang, meron ka pa kayang babalikan pagkatapos, no?
Ewan ko sa'yo, i-employ mo ako, patihin mo ako dito pag nawanan ako ng work.
Okay, ready?
May room, go.
Get set. Go. Sino yan? Kaninang
Kabayan
line?
Noli De Castro.
Disappointed. Paano yun?
Magandang gabi, bayan. Go.
Yun na yun?
Magandang gabi, bayan!
Katakot. Paano naman angry? Hindi ka disappointed. Next.
So, dapat, magandang gabi, bayan?
Pati yung mukha ko gawin. Next. Sino yan? Ready?
Ba't yung naisip to? Ganda, saya lang.
Oo,
Go.
masaya, diba?
May iba na ako. May hire na ako as a voice talent after this.
After.
Okay,
Okay,
go.
ready?
This is from Jessica Soho. Lumipad ang aming team. Lumipad ang aming team! Or dapat siya, lumipad ang aming team!
Feeling ko wala ka nang babalikan sa patrol.
Parang sinasabotage ba talaga ako eh. Parang sinadya mo to. I think, grabe.
Hindi naman ako
So
sobra. Hindi naman ako ganun hindi naman ako masamang tao. Balik rin natin. Ready? Sino yan?
Carmino Constantino Torres.
Ako ba? Kasama pala ako dyan? Okay, happy.
Happy. If you're gonna evolve backwards, don't bring the country down with you. Tama ba? If you're gonna evolve backwards, don't bring the country down with you.
Parang sira ulo, Ate
Para
B.
talaga ako sira ulo.
Next! Ilan pa ba to? Lahat ba to? Okay. 4 na lang.
It's so fun.
Ready?
Okay, go.
Sino yan?
Si Jessica Soho na naman.
Na
Mali,
naman?
nalagay ko siya dyan.
Okay.
Okay.
Sino yan?
Sad.
Sad. We try not to do
Tony
sad.
Velasquez. And that's the world tonight. I'm so sad. I wanna cry. And that's the world tonight. That's how I feel sometimes.
I know, me too.
That's
The world tonight, today, tomorrow.
I know, right?
Bigat na.
So easy.
Pagkatas natin maging positive, biglang naging
That's the world
sad.
tonight.
Okay, next. Sino yan? Go.
Corina
Angry.
Sanchez. Handa na ba kayo?
Ayan. Very good. Parang swak na swak siya. Ito. Hindi na. Kasi nga, hindi ko sinasabing galit si Coring nga. Kaka-text lang namin noong isang araw. Game. Ito. Ikaw ito parate. In love.
Hello po.
Si Tita Winnie.
Hello po.
Parang kinikilig.
Hello po.
Last.
What's that? She's sick.
Scared. Who's that?
This is so hard, ha?
Mahirap yan.
Pilipino tayo. Lumalaman tayong nakangiti.
Ikaw ba? Galing
Okay.
Isa pa, one more
That's
thing.
so hard.
That's hard. How do you say that na scared?
Pilipino tayo. Lumalaban tayong nakangiti. I look crazy.
Parang iba yung kinakatakutan mo no? Parang iba. Anong ini-imagine mo nun? May mumu?
I don't know. I'm like scared. Pilipino tayo, lumalaban tayong nakangiti.
Ganyan ka pala matakot.
I don't
Thank
know.
you so much.
This is difficult. I mean,
Mahirap
mine is
siya.
the most difficult of
I
all.
know.
Kasi
Kasi
it's my
dapat
line. It's hard
oo.
because it's your line and you don't know how to be scared when
Correct.
you're so used to being happy when you do this.
All right. And that's it. Ate B, thanks for
Thank
joining
you.
us today. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thanks for spending time with me. I know you're so busy.
I love this.
May mga
This is not
nakahilera pa sa'yo.
work.
I know it's not.
It's not work.
Naiinis ako kasi the more we talk, the more I find things in common with you. Scared ako. That'll do it.
Sabi nga, you have to give people a chance.
Marami ka ng chance.
Thank you. Wait, abangan nyo si Casey sa vlog ko, ha?
Oo.
Ay, nako. Revelation.
Really? Oh my gosh. Now I'm scared. I may have revealed too much. Thanks so much, Ate B, for joining
Hindi
us
ka
here
naman
today.
nag-voicing dun eh. Okay na yan.
Oo, yan iba.
This is terrible.
Yun actually yung ganti ko sa'yo. And that'll do it for another episode of KC After Hours. You know the drill. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.